Alright, welcome back to another video, and today we will be installing some shorty levers from ASV right now. So basically they're adjustable, basically just like any other shorty lever. So this is what the stock ones look like. They come out really long, and then the shorty ones come about to like maybe like right here, and then that little dial adjusts it where it can be like farther out here, or it'll be like here or here or here, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and throw it in. Alright, so there's a nut right here. There's a 10 mil. We'll have to go ahead and take that off. And just slides right out, and you want to turn it around and unhook it. If I can unhook it. Alright, and we got the left clutch off. This is just comparing it to the new one. It's gonna be like this. That's the difference. Let's throw it on. So very simple, just do reverse steps. Let's do the hard part first and get this thing on. Finally. Alright, so now that it's in there, go ahead and just put this screw back in. Tighten it up and then adjust it. That's one side done. Alright, on to the brake side. So we're gonna grab this right here, Allen key. Here. Actually, I'm gonna find a smaller one. There we go. Just like that. Here it is. And here's the one we're going to be putting on. Alright. And there she is, super easy. Alright, and then from there you just adjust it to where you want it, farther out or closer in. Kind of like it farther out to the brake side. Alright, that's it. Super easy install. Let's go ahead and compare these two real quick. So, new ASV levers, stock. Alright, so that wraps up the install. After you put everything on, just go ahead and go for a drive, make sure everything's working properly, and adjust the settings to how you want them. So other than that, super easy install. Shout out to Corey, he hooked it up. Here's a plug for these shorty levers from ASV Direct, so hit him up, Corey Helsabeck. I have his name down in the description below. Alright, welcome back, guys. So finally, we got one of the parts in for the R7, so it's flush mounts. So basically what they look like. They just go ahead and replace the little fat turn signals that are there. These are also the Halo ones, if it'll focus. These are also the Halo ones, so that's pretty cool. I got the Halo in blue. It comes in a bunch of different options. I was gonna go with hyper white, but end up going with blue because it'll match the bike. But take a look at this. Like, look how long this is. Pause.
You're gonna get me in trouble.
Yeah, that thing needs to get taken out, replaced, whatever you want to say. It is needs not to be here anymore. Alright, so right now I'm just about to go ahead and just take off all the necessary fairings. So basically, you need to take this off. This sometimes you might be able to get in there. Like I had to unplug it and plug it back in the other day, and I was able to get it just by loosening it up. So I'm gonna try to finesse it just enough to unplug it and get this out, but we'll see. So about to just take this off, and then whatever else is in the way that needs to come with this. Alright, so I got this first turn signal out. So basically what I did was take off this little top panel, took out these 3 little clips right here, took off these 2 bolts on the bottom fairing, and just kind of slipped my hand there. And there's also a clips up on top, so don't forget that. And it just came right out. So all right, and this is the halo turn signal. So it came pre-disassembled. It's super easy. All you do is just put the white cap on it, throw the O-ring right here, and then just clip this little piece in. So same thing. Now I'm just gonna feed it through here and just send the little plug upwards. Alright, so we got one side down now. Looks way better, flush. It is, compare this to this. Alright, let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll catch back up and see what everything looks like. Alright, I went ahead and put everything back together, cleaned the bike up a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Yo, we're back again with another super quick, fast, and easy install. So we got the Womatech rear axle slider / spools. They go real simple. Just kind of bolt in on the back, and that's it. So let's go ahead and throw these on real quick. All right, so like I said, super easy install. Just gonna take off the other end with the Allen key. Just gonna take this, slide it in, put this one and this one like that, and slide this through it and tighten it up, and that's literally it. And that is your rear axle slider / spool. Obviously the exhaust is a little bit more regardless than that, so that'd be the first thing to, along with the slider up there. But it does serve the purpose of the spool as well, so that's pretty clutch, and it just looks good, and it matches the rest of the Womatech stuff I have on the bike. And just like that, they're in there, they're tightened up.